Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to another video. For those who don't know me, hello. I am a single mom of 6. I adopted 5 of my nieces and nephews, and I birthed my youngest. Today, I'm going to be cleaning, like I've never cleaned before, my refrigerator. I'm also going to be organizing. As you see, I probably went a little bit crazy, but I blame it on TikTok. I've been watching these TikTok videos where they are deep cleaning their fridge, organizing it, and I'm like, yeah, I started buying things little by little. Everything is finally here. Everything I want is finally here. So it's just about that time I clean and organize my fridge. I will be linking down below everything that I purchased for you guys. And let's get started. Hello guys, so when I clean my refrigerator, I simply use a disinfectant. I use Lysol wipes, and to clean these parts, I just normally use regular dish soap and some hot water. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys use anything different. If you think I should use anything else, let me know down in the comments below and I'll appreciate it. Thank you guys. Did you know you should also clean your air vents? I just recently found this out. I basically just wiped it down and took out all the lint. Let me know in the comments down below if you normally clean your air vents.